little dude going to work early. Follow me and see what he do. Thank you. Bro, be getting everywhere, bro. Man, where you went? There he is. It's the best. I think $129 ever spent. I mean, but it look like like a pet, a dog or something that can vacuum good. They clean up behind and stuff. Work, you can put them on auto and you just go start moving in. I usually let them roam free, but he get into all kind of mischief. Like as soon as you let something loose, like you got babies around the house, they want to go right around the cords and the plug. That's exactly what he do. I'm talking about he like he a human, like a dog and stuff. No, it's something that clean up behind itself. Let's see where he's going. Okay. All right. And even remote control too. So get it for your kids. If they don't like to clean up, get it for them. I'm pretty sure they'll be more than happy to clean up around here. Let's see what they do upstairs. Okay. Boy ain't going to work. No better than playing upstairs. To the next one, no. Just put I wish it came with a light, that'd be dope. Thought I found the next one, okay. Chip, I appreciate you. Put in work, my boy. Don't stop and drop it down and turn around too. Come right over the young, bro. Okay, stop right on the gun. You ain't gonna touch the gun. Just down a little wreck. He good. Let me get this stuff this way. Uh-oh, don't take the car with you, bro. It's like cool. You gotta get all this shit. Leave. No, that's his spot. going out today, bro. Go out, bro. Get up all your hair, all your little dirt. But okay, you got that little piece. Keep that thing, boy. And that's his trees, you know. You get the dirt and shit up, that's his trees. So I'm a bad thing, bro. You don't want to vacuum all in your videos, all in your rap songs. Let's come to Uso. They need to pay me for this promotion too. Put it back on auto. Let them work. Where he went, y'all? Let's find him. See what he doing. See if he cheating me. Nah, he ain't cheating. He working. Good rack, boy. Go to work, my boy. Go to work.